So I'm about to show you guys my, what do I want to call it? My made up casserole basically is what it is. I'm going to show you guys what I bought to use for it. So right now I have some white rice boiling. So we have here some new delicious sweet Hawaiian crescent rolls. This is going to be my top crust. And I have this, I've never tasted this before. Amy's Soups made with organic rice and mushroom bisque with porcini. That's the type of mushroom. Sour cream. My spinach, I have 3 bags here. I have mozzarella cheese as well as Parmesan cheese. And beef Polska kielbasa because Chris doesn't eat pork. And I am going to season up the meat as well as the spinach. I'm going to saute it with some olive oil and just whatever seasonings I choose. Oh, I forgot about the sour cream. So the sour cream, what I did was I went on Pinterest and I looked up spinach casserole, and I just kind of like did my own thing. Everybody has some different combination of ingredients, so I just chose to do my own thing. If you made this before, let me know what you've used to make your spinach casserole. I just had a taste for a casserole, and I love spinach. It's my favorite vegetable. So anyways, what I think I'm going to do is probably blend this in with the soup and the rice and the seasonings and stuff. And what's going to be on top is my spinach and my meat. And then I'm going to put some more cheese on top of there. And then add my, I'm excited about the Hawaiian sweet, okay? And this is not going to be rolled up. I'm going to lay these flat on top as a like a crust. This smells so good. Oh my goodness.
Dashing through the snow in a one-horse open sleigh, o'er the fields we go, laughing all the way.
My layer of spinach. I'm going to add some cheese on it, and then I'm going to put the crescent rolls on top. So I finished with the Parmesan. I just add a little bit of mozzarella on there, just a little bit of mozzarella. Now it's time to add sweet Hawaiian crescent rolls, and I'm going to lay these flat. I'm pretty proud of myself. This is looking good. And I didn't see anyone make a crust on top of their casserole. So, and no one had, you know, this is totally different. This is just mine. So I'm excited to see what this turns out. So I'm going to put some butter up here. I'm going to butter the outside of the crust, and we'll see what the finished product looks like. So it's now buttered, and I'm going to pop it in the oven. Okay, I'm pinning this. It looks so delicioso. Did I say that right? Spanish people. It looks so good. Y'all look at it. Look at the brown. It's lightly toasted. Oh, it looks so yummy. So I'm gonna have to do a taste test. So Lexi's gonna be my taste tester. CJ's asleep. Be careful, honey, it's hot.
What is it again?
It's spinach casserole. Mommy style.
Okay, let's taste it.
Be careful, honey, it's hot. Ooh, is it steaming?
Huh?
Is it steamy? Make sure you don't burn your tongue. Ooh. Make sure you have to blow it.
Sorry, I thought Penn State was bad enough. Mimi, top of the evening.
Carlton, for the 900th time, no, I will not go out with you.
Don't you say she wasn't your type? She isn't, she's too negative. I'm not here for that.
Tastes good?
Well, go.
Really good? Good. Took you a minute, but you just had to get all of the flavor.
Yep.
All right. Man, that's good. This is delicious, you guys. I'm so serious.
God.
You can taste the sweetness of the Hawaiian sweet crescent roll. Contrast with the seasoned salt. This is super delicious, y'all. Okay, so I had Chris was still awake. So I had to go and give him a taste of it. He loved it. He was just like, "Oh my God, you made this up?" He said, "There's so many flavors in here." Like, it is really good.
Guys, you need to make this. Mommy, I think of the instructions to make it. If you have kids, go over to your kids and your husband. If you try yourself, you're gonna like it.
That's my baby.
That's lipstick on me.
Yep, a little bit. So, okay, you guys, you heard it from us. We're not biased. We promise. No, it's the bomb, for real. Like, if it was bad, I wouldn't even be putting it up. I would not even post it. You guys wouldn't even hear about it. It's delicious. So, you gotta try it. Okay. Thank you for watching. Happy Vlogmas. Merry Christmas. Feliz Navidad. And all that jazz.